Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan, and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're adding on to our house and creating a separate apartment for Jim's parents. Some might call it a granny flat or mother-in-law quarters. So yeah, we just call it their apartment. But Jim's parents were in a condo, and the condo was like 45 minutes away. And we wanted them closer so that we could include them in our family events and birthdays and holidays and things like that. We just made it easier to have them a lot closer. So Jim got to work creating the layout of where the apartment will go and the best way to make it look like the apartment had always been there. And this is where the 600 square foot addition will be added. So it was time to get started, and we did hire a guy to come out with his small excavator and start digging out the area for the crawl space and foundation. And it didn't take him long to get it all cleared out and ready to go. Something really cool that we decided to do is all the siding on the outside of the house. After we peeled it off, we saved it, and then we used that same siding for the addition. So it was economical and looked really uniformed. And here they are digging a little deeper so they can make space for the crawl space. And here is just another view from inside our house looking out the window. Soon they were working on the crawl space and the floor joists. And if you look over, you could see that window by the guy with the ladder. That window actually is where the door will go. And right now that is our mud room, and we're going to have to be making some changes in our mud room because right now there's a sink right there. So Jim ripped all that out, and we're going to move the sink and counter over to the other side. I was so excited when I saw the walls going up, because then you really could get a visual of how it was going to look. So before you knew it, there was some roof rafters up, and then they got to working on the roof line itself, and in the end it looked really uniform and like it had always been there, and that was our goal. Here I am peeking through the window from our mudroom and seeing that it's actually starting to look like a house in there. Soon this window will be down and we will have a doorway. And in the meantime, Jim was in the garage working on a ramp for his dad so that he could get up with his walker, and then, maybe one day there would be a wheelchair, something like that, but he was getting that all set up.
Gotta take that plywood.
Yep.
Put it on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta take those 4x4s and make posts. And then build some support for the railings, and then we'll put the pickets in. And
Man.
then paint it up with non-slip. And done.
Sounds like a lot. And we've got the opening to our house. What do you think, Jim?
Pretty good.
So then they started putting in all the wires, the wiring in the rafters and in the walls. Next, Jim and I went to Home Depot, got some windows, and we installed those. Got the ceilings done.
Almost done.
Once the drywall went up, it really started to come together. And now for my favorite part, going to Home Depot and picking out all the accessories, paint, tile, carpet, laminate flooring. That's what I love to do most. I tried really hard to find tile that wasn't super slick, not only for the bathroom flooring, but also for the shower floor itself. And what I chose actually ended up working really well. My mother-in-law wanted a neutral wall paint, so I chose this color here, which is called Swiss Mocha. And she also wanted a bathroom vanity with some drawers, and I thought this one was real pretty.
Hi. Let's get the paint down before we put up the cabinets.
Before we put up the cabinets, okay. We got a window, but no door yet.
I gotta switch. I gotta do the base cabinets.
Oh, okay.
I'll figure out the crown mold because I can't set the height of the cabinet until I know how to do the crown molding.
Yeah. Okay, we got countertops. We got some drawers. We got the island. This will be the dishwasher. We got the sink. And they are right now working on the countertop for here. And I'm getting a new countertop in the mudroom as well, and a new sink. While the bathroom was getting worked on, they were prepping for the shower pan, prepping the walls for the tile. You could see here they have all the spacers in the tiles. The flooring went in. It's coming together. Here you can see my son-in-law was nice enough to come over and help put trim up around the outside windows. And then Jim was busy working on building closet shelving, racks to hang clothes on, and things like that. My mother-in-law wanted shelves on each side in there, so she got place to hang her clothes and then shelving on each side. And then it was time to apply the tile in my mudroom and also in the kitchen. And I love what I chose. I think it turned out really pretty. We added some shiplap to the back of the island to give it a finished look. Now, although they'll always be coming in through the garage, we still wanted to have a front walkway for them. Like, you know, if they had guests or something, you come in the side gate, walk along the side of the house, and then we wanted to have a little cement walkway up to their front door. And now we're at the point where all that siding that we saved, Jim's trying to figure out exactly how he's going to apply that to the outside of the house. And while he worked on that, we had the roofers putting on the shingles. My mother-in-law is a wonderful gardener. She's got such a green thumb, and she wanted a rock garden. So she created that right away. And you could also see there's a front door there. We did a clear front door so that they could have a lot of sunlight. I think that turned out really pretty. Once more.
Across the plain, red-winged blackbird, soft refrain, reborn in the warmth of the spring. I recall everything once more. Once more. In the light of the sun, everything and everyone reborn.
This was a special time not only because his parents were moving in, but also because Jim's dad was getting set to celebrate his 90th birthday. So we invited them over for a birthday party, but the surprise was we're going to have the party in their little apartment. So they didn't realize that was going to happen. Knock, knock. Hi. Can I see your house? Wow.
This is my bedroom.
Your bedroom. So here's the party.
This is my bedroom.
That's your bedroom?
This is my bedroom.
Very nice.
I'm sleeping in it.
You sleep in it?
Wow. I'm a sleep in it.
Oh, great grandma will, huh?
Can you do a carton on there, girl?
Oh, and then you gotta see what I made here. I made little sticks with Phil's picture on it.
Which door are they going to come in? There we go. Happy birthday. Thank you.
How's it feel to be 90?
Surprise. Did you surprise him? Yeah.
I can't believe it.
You did it!
90 years old.
So we were able to move my in-laws in right after Christmas, so right before Christmas actually, and they seem to be very comfortable in their new place. We love having them there. My granddaughter is able to just go visit, you know, whenever she wants when they're sitting outside, and she can come out there and visit with them. So that's really nice. And yeah, it's just really nice having that family closeness. They're right there. We know they're safe. They can, you know, my mother-in-law, we ask each other for favors all the time, borrow a cup of sugar or whatever it might be. I think I borrow a lot more from her than she does from me. So, but yeah, it's worked out really great. And I think this was a really good solution. So if you're considering maybe moving your parents in, or your grandparents, or whatever it might be, and you're thinking about adding an ADU or a granny flat or whatever it might be, you should really look into it. Financially, it makes a lot of sense. And like I said, the family closeness is really cool. So. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this home edition that we did, this apartment that we made for my in-laws. And I hope you will like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And Jim and I are always building and creating and doing some fun things around our properties. So thanks for watching, friends, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.